Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update my 1000 Day Challenge. This is day 960. So we are approaching towards the end of the 1000 day itself. So on day 960, nothing much has changed. So we definitely on the traditional financial market. I still lean towards some sort of bearish neutral territory, at least for S&P 500, ACHR, and also KWEB, with the exception of Nasdaq. Simply because Nasdaq looks a little bit more bullish because we have potentially at least at the very minimum form a higher high. So at least in the worst case scenario is neutral. In a best case scenario, it could be a clear change of character kind of situation, and we have a potential shift of momentum towards the upside. So that's something to take note of. And then overall, if you look in terms of a Bitcoin, so we definitely did form a continuation on the Friday itself. Very strong break towards the upside. So it was definitely what I mentioned from yesterday itself based on this candlestick. I was saying that there is a chance, but the chance is low simply because of the lack of volume. But of course, it proved me to be wrong and actually push a very strong upside, very decent volume. But bearing in mind, it's still a very clear decrease in terms of volume wise. So overall, even though I would say here's a decent position for long-term hold, do bear in mind that short-term trade wise, we could potentially have a shift of momentum even towards the lower itself. But let's see how things goes. If it's a very strong momentum itself, then here will still be a very good entry point. But we've got to see how price react to it when price touches here itself. All right. With that said, I've come to the end of the day, and I'll give you guys an update in a couple more minutes for the next